So this is the kind of courtroom ritual that we've gone through here literally for years. Amanda Knox enters the courtroom after every break or before or after the proceeding, and she now is going to sit at the defense table. If you want to swing around here, Neil, this is her entire family. Many members of her family have attended here in Italy. They've made many trips here, and they're here for support, and they do ask legal questions while they're here. Amanda takes her seat. You can see that many times she'll have a computer in front of her. Many times she'll take notes, and other times she's just listening intently. Neil, if you want to turn over here to our left, this is where the prosecutors sit. They certainly have been criticized this trial. The defense now in its summations are basically saying that the claims of the prosecution are basically amount to fantasy. What we're waiting for now is for the jury to come in. Now the jury here is composed of 6 lay people from the public and 2 that are actual judges. Now you will see more people than that come in, but they do have alternates here as well. At any given time we see that they in fact listen intently. Sometimes they're nodding. Sometimes they look bored, but not too often. The thing about this appeal is that they are not looking at this trial and retrying the entire case. They are looking for key points of evidence that can be basically either upheld on appeal or thrown out on appeal. This is not a verdict. This will be a ruling about the appeal. What's key is to really look at the police investigation as the defense has been doing. The prosecution still has to defend that evidence and the police investigation. But what the defense has been saying all along here in court is that, in fact, there is no motive for this crime. And they've also pointed to a lot of the police methods that they believe evidence was contaminated and that the methods were completely incorrect. We're still waiting here for the jury and the judge to come in. But as you can see, this is the kind of scene that we've had over and over and over again in court. Amanda's family, they've tried to have at least one family member here with her at all times. It has been quite difficult for something like this appeal process being so important. Her father and mother are both here. Her step-parents are here. Siblings are here. Other relatives and friends and supporters of Amanda Knox. We should also mention that sitting right here in the that's Raffaele Sollecito. He is the co-accused with Amanda Knox and her former boyfriend. He is not mentioned as often, even in this defense summation, but he also now is serving a 25-year sentence for the same crime. And this appeal is an appeal that applies to both of them, and that is what the jury has to rule on. We do expect that the jury will begin deliberations on this case, on this appeal, again on Monday, and that will be after a very short statement from both Amanda Knox and Raffaele Sollecito. Paul Newton, CNN, Perugia, Italy.